You've only got bloody electric seats, you jammy sod. Jammy git. Right then, new car to the clan, another Z4. It's a nice grey one. It's a 3 litre this one though. Just got it delivered, another Copart job. Let's have a look. So, those lights need sorting out, a bit cloudy. Yep, seems to have a misfire, which isn't good. Let's go back. Bit of a misfire. The roof works, bonus. And electric seats. Oh, that one, bonus. Ooh. Cup holder. 6-speed. Got the sport button. Nasty walnut dash. What else? Oh yeah, there's a ding on here. Not too bad. It does actually have the plastic trim on the back that mine's missing. Let's have a look. Yeah, that looks much neater. Mine's missing this one. It's a shame. Yeah, it looks quite tidy. Just needs a bit of a hoover. Side looks straight. Yeah. Oh, and the mirrors fold in. Oh yeah. Right, seem to have misfire. I'm going to clean the contacts on the coil packs. See if that does anything first. And then if not, I'm going to put the Ned or Ned Z coil packs in. I don't know, Whispering Willow, whatever he calls this one. No idea. I'll have to ask him what he's called it. Right then. It said misfire on 6. That would be that one. And 5. And 4. And maybe 3. I think 1 and 2 were fine. Right, contact cleaner. And I don't think it's going to be that easy, but it's worth a shot. Right, they've all had a squirt. I've had a squirt of this stuff. I've got some clutch cleaner actually, I might try that, but I'll give this a shot first. See what happens. Yeah, while I'm at it, I might as well give these a bit of a squirt and just check the plugs. Well, I'll check to see if it's got plugs, and I'm going to take them out. Yep, there's a plug in there. Right. That's them all in. Put that back on. No, doesn't make a difference, does it? What is that noise? That doesn't sound good. Right, so to satisfy my curiosity, I want to take, oh, that's it. Yeah. I want to take mine out and just see if the misfire's still there. I hope it isn't, because this could be expensive. Oh, look at the colour of that now. Much better after being used. Right. These are mine. I'm going to take these out. I don't know if they're a different part number. Great. Don't want to want stuff. One. Oh, there's eight. This one doesn't want to come out. Right, I'll tell you what I used. So, it looks like number 5 coil pack on mine. It's got the top of the spark plug stuck in the top, so I can't actually fit this on that one. So this is number 4 and it won't go in. I put it into number 5, it'll go in. Right, okay, so I can't, interesting, so I can't swap all of them over. So plug number 5, it's got the original coil pack from number 1 on this Z, because mine wouldn't fit. Okay, let's give this a start and see if it makes a difference. Much better. That sounds a lot smoother now. So, swap my coil packs apart from number 5. Number 5 is on number 1 because my number 5 has got the top of the spark plug attached to it. Yeah, all misfire. That sounds nice.
anything to do with the ignition coils.
Right, new coil packs. Let's see if this works. Ooh.
Give them a blast.
Yeah, let's give it a blast. Flat battery. Seriously? Right then, day 2. I have no idea. Probably holds the radiator in.
Or the whole front end on.
Probably the whole front end.
Oh, that's a point. Have we got any water?
Oh, I've never checked your water. Where's your water? Oh.
Is that it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, that's something I've got that you haven't got.
What? Yeah, I've just said. Yeah, you've even got a bloody badge on it as well. Oh, you're painting that.
Got teeth for it.
Ooh, I think we need some water in there. That's supposed to come up the top.
Yeah, well, there's none in there. Oh, I knew it.
Now,
this is gonna be fun on the way home.
We only have water. We've got water, but I have no antifreeze.
That'll do it. I'll change it when I do my, what's it called? Oil?
Oil, yeah. Now I'll put some water in. So, we're going to change this valve, yeah?
Yeah.
So we've got a new one. You've waited a day.
I was quite surprised it came so quickly, but I would have liked it to have come even quicker.
It would have been nice if it was in the morning.
Colour of that.
There's the new one. Let's compare it. Here's the new one. Is it the same? Well, it could be, but I thought they were all supposed to be plastic. Is it the same size? Yeah, it's the same size. A bonus.
Yeah. Yeah. But it did say on the internet that some people had bother with the seal on there. So, I don't know, bit of Vaseline or something.
Silicone.
That's the puppy.
So what was wrong with that one? That flap doesn't open, does it?
It opens.
Oh, it opens, but it
opens to the wind.
But this one's springy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't realise it'd make that much difference, but everyone on the internet says it'll run like poo if you... I suppose there's the... Yeah, it does now.
Yeah, well that's probably with the misfire and that's probably why they wanted to get rid of the car.
And the fact it's got no water in, so it's probably
no water. Yeah. Right, we've got the new one.
We good to go?
Yeah.
It's even got the plastic cover on. Look at that. Right. And it fits.
Is that a nice tight?
Do you have anything slippy? A little bit of engine oil.
Right, stick a bit of lithium on there.
Oops.
Did it feel like it didn't want to go in, like?
Yeah, it's just like tight rubber on plastic sort of thing. So we'll see. This might work.
This feel seems a bit tight, doesn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
Is that all clean in there? There's not a gasket on there or something?
No, I wiped it with a bit of...
Did the other one sit in there properly?
Couldn't even find it. Brody, you'll get a sore throat.
Oh,
yeah. Maybe it's a bit too easy. That's quite hard and flat and that, isn't it?
Yeah. I mean, once you get the nuts tightened in and it gets hot, maybe it will...
pull it in. You mean when it overheats?
You might, yeah, well, you might want to nip it up tomorrow or something.
Oh.
You'll go faster now. Lithium powered.
Yeah. Have you pointed out all my welding work that's been done on this?
What, this one?
Yeah.
Crack on the brace there. Yeah. Interesting. I've heard that happens a lot, but I've never actually seen it.
You wouldn't think it would be there. I thought it would have been the turret itself.
Well, I thought that looks like it is going to. Yeah, the top. That's it there. Yeah.
It tries to pop out.
Yeah, but when you get the screws in, it should hold it. It should.
Good.
So it is going in. It's just a nice.
It just wants to come out as quick as it goes in. It's just a nice smug fit. I suppose it's got brass inserts, hasn't it? Mm-hmm. Or something.
Oh,
so
like if you over tighten it, you mean?
Yeah.
You're not going to crack the plastic.
Yeah,
they probably thought of that. If it was a Peugeot, they wouldn't have done that. Not that I'm saying there's anything wrong with Peugeots, but well, actually I am. Yeah. It's clean now, so we're going to give it a spin then, yeah. Let's see if it
makes the right noise.
Makes the right noise, because yesterday we had the problem with the battery, so.
Ready?
Yeah. Yeah. Right, we've got Misfire. So which one? Can you remember which order we done them in? No, I can't either. But
the last one, I think we did that one, and that one.
They're the new
then
ones.
Those two came out of yours.
Well, they were
were
yours.
Mine. So the one that we didn't touch was that one.
And that was your number 1. And I think number 1 came up was a Misfire. So we'll change that one.
Probably going to be that one then.
Yeah, I hope. Hope it's just the one.
They're in the boot, aren't they?
They're in the boot, yeah. Ooh, you've got a button that opens the boot.
Do you not?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, not at the moment. Not at the moment. I don't. I've. I had a look at your tail light as well today to see if I could sort it out. Yeah, yeah. It's nice. I'll give you that in case you wanted to see if you could open the case on here and put that in.
So does that work?
The last 4 don't work, but at least it's something.
I could wipe out the 4 on the other side, so
it's even, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that's coming up tomorrow.
And I found the micro switch in yours as well. It's attached to something in yours, whereas mine's not attached to something.
Is that why yours doesn't work off the button?
It does work off the button.
It does?
Yeah, if I press the middle button, the boot opens.
No, I mean off the button down there.
No, it doesn't work off the button down there because I've taken the plastic thing out.
Oh,
so I could get the release, bonnet release easier. It was the one you put in the box, wasn't it? Yeah.
I think.
Okay.
Stopping on the wheel, just swap these over and.
Yeah, be playing eeny, meeny, miny, mo on the way home. Which one is it?
They reckon that you know, there was another one, not the Bosch. There was another one.
Delphi.
No, the other one, HTC or something. Or there was 3 in this. Let's hope it's firing number 2.
Better. Good, that.
I might get some eider down for the inside, quieten them down.
Eider down?
Yeah, you know.
Oh, wait.
I'll take that off first.
Yeah.
You are watching, that's alright.
Yeah. I'm recording for everybody as well.
Alright. Yeah. My name's Barbara. Here we go.
Don't make us laugh, it hurts. It hurts when I sneeze, it's really bad.
I remember when I had what did I do? I did something to my ribs. Tore the muscle between my ribs. And every time I coughed or whatever, it sort of like pulled on the muscles between my ribs. That was painful.
I think it's in the boot of the car. Yeah, it's not funny, like.
No.
Well, it is kind of, but not the way that you'd like it to be funny.
Yeah, you don't look bad. Might be because the sun's going down.
What? Brody?
No, this. Because the sun's going down, you can't see the dent. Amy, didn't you like it then? Well, apart from those like little bits on the side.
And it's not sitting outside on your drive.
Well, yeah, but I was kind of pleased it wasn't, because at least you know what you're doing with the coil packs and things like that, and the disvalve. I'd have just been like, good.
I only knew that because I saw a YouTube video on it and I thought, ooh, that can't be good.
I mean, I would have sussed it in the end.
When the engine's on the A1 or something, yeah.
Probably, yeah. It's bizarre the way they're all a different colour on the inside.
Oh, first right.
Still got a while to go.
It's electric seats for you. Yeah, the maiden voyage, yeah? So, does it feel smooth? Does it feel...
With 200 metres, nothing's fell off yet. Quite pleased with that. Yeah, you need the discs are a bit rusty and whatnot, but that'll clean up.
That's just from sitting around, isn't it? They're always a bit iffy.
It's already better than the Alpha. So the only light I've got on the dashboard is to tell me one of the headlights is up.
Alright, so even your tyres, the tyre warning light hasn't come on, because that always comes on.
Even from factory.
I think so. I never ever got it off me Mini.
No, I remember that. Through the tunnel. No, you know what? I actually quite like it, and I don't mind.
I don't, yeah.
You don't see as many scratches.
Well, I was looking at it last night, and I was like, actually, this doesn't look that bad.
Well,
it sort of suits it.
I took a photo because there's 6 different options you can get for this. You know, you can get like the roundels, like the polished aluminium.
Oh
so
yeah,
you can get it like that from factory. But I think some of them people have never ever seen.
I've also was just like what I've got, and this one, but this one doesn't look that bad.
Yeah.
I was quite surprised actually. When I was looking at it, I thought, nah, it's pretty good actually.
Suspension's not too crashy or anything, is it?
No, and you haven't got that clunking noise that I have. Damn!
The clunk is character.
Well, they all seem to suffer from it, but I don't know if it's the same clunk that other people are talking about as what I've got.
It does seem quite smooth though, doesn't it?
Yeah, nice country road. Feels nice and smooth.
Right.
Yeah.
That was third.
Third?
Yeah.
Fucking hell.
What did you think it was? Fourth?
I don't know, but that's I'll still be back where it's at 20 mile an hour in my car.
Well, that was without sport.
That was without sport, bloody hell. Did it feel the steering alright? Was it?
Yeah,
it didn't like.
That sounds quite noisy, like.
Oh yeah, that must be the
like
noise generator.
Noisy.
Oh, that's probably maybe that's the reason why. Maybe it's just because of that noise generator. No, that seemed pretty good. That. Yeah, I think you're going to enjoy this one.
I hope so. I'm hoping it'll be a bit like the Vespa, just something I want to play with.
Yeah.
You know, not abuse it.
We'll try and keep it original. Don't put. I know you mentioned a silly spoiler, didn't you?
On the back. You get them on some of them, and I think it emphasises the shape of the boot, which I think is quite good.
Well, if it's a nice one that emphasises the shape of the boot, then.
Well, it's the same shape as the boot. It's the one that's on the LB.
Oh, that tilts down at the corners.
The temperature's alright, so.
Maybe it's that button doesn't work.
Yeah, it might just be like an added interior light. Because these are supposed to be 5.9 to 60, aren't they?
Are they?
Yeah. So, in other words, 6.5 or something.
Well, mine's probably 12 or something.
No, I think yours is supposed to be 7.7 or something, isn't it?
No, it's definitely a lot smoother than mine. Obviously, it's faster, but yeah, but it's more bolted together, better.
I think it's just less miles, isn't it? Isn't it? I suppose.
Yeah, it's not as worn.
Cards off. You've got your boot loose.
I mean, it is a year older, but it's you've got a lot. How many miles? You got probably what 30, 40 miles less than what I've got on mine. Yeah, but it's like things like your handles here. Mine are all falling off. Yeah. Mine are worn. No, this is good.
Oh, I like. It's about 10.
Well, there she goes. Yeah, better than mine.